Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. How are you all, children? I hope you all good. So let us start our class. Okay. So in the last class we started chapter 9 all about time. Am I correct, children? And we completed pep activity. So now, children. So now I will ask one question. When the sun rises, it is morning or afternoon or evening, children? When the sun rises means it is morning. Okay, when sun rises is on above the head. So when the sun is directly above the head means it's noon. Noon means afternoon. Okay, and when the sun sets, it is evening, and the sun is not seen in the sky. Sun is not seen in the sky means it is night. Okay, children. Day having different parts: morning, noon, evening and night. First, we come now. Everyone open companion, children. Everyone open companion page number. Open companion page number 85, children. Page number 85. Look at the pictures. Color the box with the correct answer for each question. Okay, you have to color the correct answer for each question. First one, here I will read the question, children. Listen carefully. Rohit is getting ready to go to school. What part of the day is it? Okay, Rohit is getting ready to go school. What part of the day, children? When we are going to school? Morning we are going to school, or afternoon we are going to school, or evening we are going to school, children? So school ki man ఏ time ki veltam? Morning. Okay, so here you have to color morning. Okay, children, which part of the day it is? We are going to school morning, so color morning like this. Okay, everyone color the morning. Here first morning is there, no, you have to color the morning. Second question, Rahul is having his lunch. What part of the day is it? Okay, so Rahul is eating lunch. So man ఏ time లో lunch చేస్తాం? Morning or after evening or afternoon, children? When we are eating lunch 12 o'clock. Am I correct? So మీకు ఎప్పుడు lunch break ఇస్తారు స్కూల్లో? Afternoon 12 means it's noon. Okay, children, Rohit is having lunch. What part of the day it is? Noon. Okay, it is noon. So in the second box, noon is there, no, children? Okay, here second one. So color the noon with using of any color. You have to take crayons and color the noon. Okay, you have to color like this. Next, third one. Rahul is sleeping. Rohit is sleeping. Which part of the day is it? You have to color, children. So in which part of the day it is we are sleeping in? Morning or night? You have to check and color it. For D1, Rohit is playing after school with his friends. What part of the day it is? When we are playing games, children, in school, we play games after the school means it is evening. Okay, so color evening. Okay, children, so everyone complete it. Now open studio page number 41. Open studio page number 41. So 9 year completed now, children. Now 9.2. What is your favorite part of the day? Why? Share it with your teacher. Okay, what is your favorite part of the day? We discussed day has different parts. What are the, children? Day has different parts: morning, noon, evening and night. Okay, so day has 4 parts, no? So in that, what is your favorite part? So meeku aa 4 parts lo ఏ part ante ishtam? Why? Share it with your teacher. So for me, I like morning time. Okay, I like morning time. Why? Because in the morning time I get up and I ready to go to school and like this, no, that's why I like morning time. So like that you have to find your favorite part. So make a favorite part is if you like morning time or noon time or evening time? I think most of them students like evening time. Am I correct, children? Why? Because in schools evening time they are giving they are giving game period. No, so many of them like evening time. So like that you have to find, children. Next, 9.3. We do not go to school at night. Why is it so? Share it with your teacher. We do not go to school at night. So why you are not go to school night, children? So మీరు ఎందుకు నైట్ స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళరు? Why you are not go to school at night? Because night is not seen in the sky. Okay, in the night sun is not seen in the sky and it's very dark. Am I correct, children? So that's why you are not coming to school at night. So that's why you are coming to school in morning only. Morning means when the sun rises after. It sun rises. So that's why come and it is very light. No, in morning time the sky is very light. No, so that's why, children. So why you are not coming to school night? Because night is dark and sun is not seen in the sky. No, in the night time sun is not seen in the sky. Means it is very dark. Okay. Next, what we do usually. Next, turn to next page, children. Page number 15. What we do is usually depends upon which part of the day it is. Okay, so మనం పర్టికులర్గా చేసే యాక్షన్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, we generally eat breakfast in the morning. This is correct, children. We eat breakfast in the morning or in afternoon? No, we eat breakfast in morning only. Compulsory చేసే యాక్షన్. Am I correct, children? We eat breakfast in the morning only. And one more example, we eat lunch in noon. Okay, so we eat lunch in noon only. So lunch తీసుకెళ్ళి మనం నైట్ చేస్తామా డిన్నర్లో? No, we eat lunch in afternoon only and we eat dinner in night only. Okay, children, we generally eat dinner in night time. So like that you have to identify the parts of the day. Okay, children, we eat breakfast in the morning, we eat lunch at exactly 12 o'clock. They are giving breaks in schools. Am I correct? Means it is lunch time. Next, in evening it's playing games or snacks. And in exactly night generally we are eat dinner. Okay, next, there are, okay, here given one box for children, so observe carefully. There are some animals like owls and bats that are awake and work during the night. Okay, owls and bats means is the Telugu name of the owls is Gudlagoba. Okay, children, owls and bats means it's Gabbilam. Okay, owls and bats that are awake and work during the night. So for example, when we compare males and these animals, we are working in daytime and sleep in night time. Am I correct, children? So మనం మార్నింగ్ అంతా వర్క్ చేస్తాం, నైట్ నిద్రపోతాం. ఓకే, we are working in daytime and sleeping in night time. So but coming to these two animals, these are working in night time. Okay, these are what bit that are awake means ఎప్పుడు లేచి ఉంటాయి? Night time. Awake and work during the night. So when do you think they rest? That means when that means when they are taking rest, children. So night time work chestante, it means they are taking rest in morning time. Okay, children, that means owls and bats are taking rest in morning time and works in night time. Next, 9.4. Draw lines to match the activities with time of the day. Okay, draw lines to match the activities with the time of the day. So okay, when we observe the time, children, we are doing the activities in particular time. Means we are taking brush in morning time or afternoon time. So మనం లెగిసిన వెంటనే బ్రష్ చేస్తాం means it is morning. We are taking brush in morning time only and we are eating breakfast in morning only, or otherwise we eat otherwise we eat breakfast in lunch time children? No. So మనం breakfast tiffin breakfast లోనే మార్నింగే తింటాం. Okay, so like that here given some activities children. So first one, here we have to think, here the many of them is playing. Am I correct children? In the first picture many of them is playing means it is when we are playing children. After the school we are playing means it's evening. Okay, when we are playing after the school we are playing also means it is evening time. So match to the evening. Next, second one children. So observe the sun here. Where the sun here? Yes, sun is above the head. Okay, sun is on above the head. So above the head means it's noon time. Okay children, sun is above, on above the head means it is noon time. So match the noon. So match to the noon. Okay. Next, here the boy is wake up. Okay, the boy is waking up here means it is morning or night children. So we wake up in the morning. Am I correct children? And we sleep in the night means it is morning. So match to the morning. Next, okay children, here sun is not seen and it is very dark. Am I correct? Here it is very dark means it is night. Okay, it is night. Okay, you have to match like this children. Okay, sun rises in the morning and sun is above the head means it's noon, and sun sets means sun is going sunsets means it is evening, and sun is not seen in the sky means it's become dark. Eppudu chekadi untundo that is night. Okay, I think are you clear children? Now most of the people work during, turn to next page number 16. Most of the people work during the day. There are some people who work at night also. Find out who they are and what kind of work do they do. Share in your class. Okay children, this is your class. Here you have to write any two members. Now I will explain children. So many of them working during the day. So చాలా మంది మనం మార్నింగ్ టైంలో పనిచేస్తాం. బట్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద పీపుల్ దే ఆర్ వర్కింగ్ ఇన్ నైట్స్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే, కానీ కొంతమంది నైట్ టైం కూడా పనిచేస్తారు. ఓకే, సమ్ పీపుల్ వర్క్ ఎట్ నైట్ ఆల్సో. ఫైండ్ అవుట్ హూ ఆర్ దే. సో ఎవరు నైట్ టైం పనిచేస్తారు, యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ వర్క్ డు దే డూ. షేర్ ఇన్ యువర్ క్లాస్. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, some of them work in night time also. You have to find who are working in night time and write here. Okay, who are working in night time and what type of work do they do. So వాళ్ళు ఏ వర్క్ చేస్తారు, you have to write here. Okay children, this is about today's class. Okay, this is about today's class children. Thank you, have a nice day. You have to find who are working in night time and what do they do అంటే వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారు. Okay children, this is about today's class children. Thank you, have a nice day.